So here are a quick couple essentials that I think you'll need for meal prepping or kitchen stuff. I'll keep it super simple, but digital scale. I think I mentioned this in another video. Very important. Just helps kind of weigh and measure the food. I also get a good set of like measuring cups and spoons. Just kind of so you can be a little more precise in what you're doing. I like having something like this. I don't even know what the hell this is called, like some type of Pyrex thing. It's like it's almost like a 2-cup measuring thing for either fluids. Use it for like rices and lentils and stuff too. And then these things are just like glass containers that I use. You can get them from like IKEA or Home Goods or something like that. You can get them pretty cheap. Glass I just like a little bit better, especially when I have hot food in there. It just feels a little safer than using plastic, but I don't know, it's up to you. And then obviously this little like thermal kind of cooler like thing. I got this off of Amazon. When I make my single pot meal, actually, which I'm making right now. This would probably be another item that I would highly recommend, is getting some type of large single kind of pan pot, and then have a lid that goes onto it so you can actually steam stuff. And then I put them in these like 3 or 4 containers, throw it in here, boom, that's my lunch for the day, and I'm done. I get like 3 meals right in that one thing. So.